Hey, it's Guillermo Mata here. Thank you so much for coming out and watching this video. If you're watching this video right now, make sure to hit the thumbs up down below. Make sure to hit that little bell icon so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified like right away, okay? On top of that, drop any comments down below. I enjoy hearing from you and just your feedback really matters. So drop any comments down below. I don't believe there's a such thing as a silly question, all right? So in this video log, I'm going to show you exactly how Facebook has been bringing me local leads on every page load. Let me clear this up because there's a lot of things that a lot of people aren't talking about, right? When you create a campaign, you could create them for impressions, you could create them for clicks, whatever. You could do all engagement ads, all these type of ads, right? But the one that they're not talking about is page loaded ads, okay? What this means is that Facebook will load your page for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure it's a quality lead, okay? They're sitting around waiting for 5 to 10 seconds, all right? And if they stay for that long, they'll fall on that page and they'll follow through. Obviously, if you're gonna sit around and wait for the page to load for 5 to 10 seconds, you obviously really want this thing, whatever it is, you really want it, right? So that's what I'm going to show you how to do, okay? And we've been getting tons of leads. You guys know me. You guys know that I'm transparent. I don't like to do the talking. So let me show you some of my results. All right? So before I get into creating a campaign, here, this is from June, and you can see this on your screen. I'm sure you can see it. Let me make sure that you can see it. Yeah, you can. From June to August 23rd. Today is the 23rd, okay? So check this out, 166 leads, local leads, all right? Let me bring my screen back, guys, because you guys know that this is what we need to survive in the local marketing space, right? We need leads on a daily basis, right? Leads that are looking to buy our services, looking to buy our packages so that we can succeed and do really well in our local marketing agencies, right? So yeah, let me just get to this. Let me get started. And the first thing you want to do, you got two options, all right? You could create it for conversions or traffic. We're gonna do traffic here, just direct traffic, all right? I'm gonna just click continue here. All right. And just wait for this to load up here. Just give it a couple of seconds. While this is loading up, I'm thinking about, let me just bring my screen back. I'm thinking about putting something together for this as well. We put something really good for AdWords. It did really, really well. It helped so many people. It was unbelievable. I'm thinking about doing the same for this as well. It's gonna help you and give you lots and lots of, you're gonna learn a lot off of this, all right? 166 leads. From June to August, that's crazy. Come on, that's crazy. So anyway, let me bring my screen back here. Let me show you how to get this done, all right? So we're gonna skip all of this here. Where if we're targeting, let's say we wanna target, one of the things that I advise is that you never do the United States as a whole. We're focusing on local areas. So for this example, I'm just gonna put Cedar Hill, Texas. Cedar Hill, Texas was a town that I lived in. I know it very, very well. So I'm going to say, let me see here. Exit out of here. It's a little laggy because I'm recording my screen here, doing a bunch of things. So bear with me. But for the location, we're going to choose Cedar Hill, Texas. Okay, so there we go. We got Cedar Hill, Texas. All right. So now let's say for this example, we want to target contractors, right? Contractors. Usually contractors are above 30 plus, so 30s. For this example, I'm just going to do English. And if you have someone that's on your staff, a consultant that's on your staff and they speak Spanish, you can do Spanish too, that works. So let's talk about this for a minute. Let me bring my screen back here because I want you to get as much value out of this. What are, excuse my language, what are contractors looking for, right? when contractors are on Facebook, what are they looking for, right? Contractors, and I spoke about this in one of my trainings that I did in AdWords, right? I use that as an example. They're usually doing Home Depot, right? Home Depot, they're looking for Home Depot tools and things like that. So for the interest, we could do Home Depot. See if we get any options for that. Boom, got Home Depot, right? What would we do Home Depot? Home Depot, you know, these guys are, oh, let me share my screen. I wasn't sharing my screen. Here we go. So there we go. We got Home Depot, right? Home Depot, these guys are always looking for tools and things like that. So we could target them based off that, right? So we're going to do Home Depot. And, you know, and like I'll cover this if you guys want me to. Just let me know in the comments. I'll put a training together. But there's some other little interests, right, that will essentially just be like targeted on. So like you could target these people individually. Right now, I just select this Home Depot as the interest. I have the age, but there's some other interests in here that will allow me to target people who are in business. Okay, just let me know if you want me to cover that a little more. Just comment down below. Let me know in the comments. All right. For automatic placements, we'll leave this as is. All right. And then for our budget, we're going to leave that the same. And again, if I'm willing to put something together, just need to hear your feedback. The more feedback we have, the better. All right. So check this out. This is where the magic is here. Landing page views will deliver your ads to people who are more likely to click on your ads and load the landing page. You'll need a pixel installed on the landing page to track views. All right. This is the money. Oh, this is not it. Here we go. This is the money option, I want to say, right? This is the money option right here. This is the one that they don't want to talk to, they don't want to tell you out there in the world, all right? So this is the one that's going to get you tons and tons of results. Just make sure that you're choosing the correct interests and you'll be golden, really. I could just click continue, create the creative, and, you know, really start showing my ads to people who are contractors like Home Depot, are interested in Home Depot, and, you know, create something catchy that's going to really stand out. And, you know, it's going to allow me to put my ad in front of them, collect those leads, follow up through phone, close them, and let's keep moving forward, right? So I took some time to think about this. You know, I was debating if I was going to do it or not. But based on your feedback, if you guys drop any feedback down below and you feel like you want me to put something together that's reasonable for our guys only, just showing you exactly how I get these leads step by step, let me know in the comments down below. Comment yes. I need to see all those yeses down below. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll put it together, send it to our guys privately so that you can start applying this. This is a real strategy. You guys already seen that I get results off of this. This is no me making things up here. You guys could see it. 166 leads. Come on, guys. If I could do this stuff, you can do it too. But with my supervision, you could get a lot more. So let me know down in the comments. This is Guillermo Mata. I will speak to you in a bit. Take care.